But I mean, let's quiet down a little bit. Look at the gas. I don't like the way that sounds. We Hustle Daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. Y'all see what we got going on, man. I got the top off, as always, man, in the SL, you feel me? Guys, so, look at this Mopar fanboy going crazy. Wait till I show y'all this. If he can catch up to me. Guys, so, in this video, man, I'm going all the way to look at a Porsche Boxer convertible. Done fell in love with convertibles. It's a soft top though convertible. They got a good price on there. I think like 5,400 or something like that as of right now. Yeah, we got the Mopar fanboy behind us. You feel me? We got the Mopar fanboy behind us. He's got out that lane, went into another lane. Y'all Mopar fanboys like to drive crazy. But anyway, like I say, man, I'm on my way to Copart to look at a Boxer Porsche. It's a 2012. I forgot how many miles that thing got on that boy. Look, he close, boy. God damn, Mopar fanboys. Back up off the SL like that, dog. He got a wrap on that thing, some type of orange wrap. But anyway, if I can get in the other lane, I'll show it to y'all. Hold on. Damn, that dude going hella slow. I don't want to get in that lane. But anyway, going to see this Porsche, you know what I'm saying, riding all the way super far to go see this thing. But hopefully we can get this thing for a good price. I looked online and I seen that these things go for a good amount of money. So I'm like, damn, they only got 50-something hundred on it. But remember, that's pre-bid. Pre-bid don't matter. It sells tomorrow. You feel me? So it could be 5,000, it could be 10,000 tonight. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I was looking on Facebook and I'm like, damn, these things go for a decent amount of money. So I'm gonna go and check it out. First of all, they gotta check out, you know what I'm saying? I just don't want to miss out on a deal and I see what they go for and it ain't going too crazy. But definitely probably like 10 grand and all of that. You definitely gonna have to pay that because, you know what I'm saying, that's just what you gotta pay. Let me show y'all this car. I got the slow ass Avalon in front of us. Y'all see it? Mopar fanboy. Can't get enough of y'all. Y'all are everywhere. That's an RT. He's missing his little diffuser thing on the back. That little thing that's supposed to be on the back. Missing that joint. But anyway, I'll see you guys when I get to Copart. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at the auction or private party sales. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. 20% off. So make sure you get yours. wehustledaily.com. First link in the description below. I'll see you guys at Copart, man. Let me go ahead and enjoy my ride. There we go. We made it. And I already see the Boxer. It's like right there in front of that, whatever that is, that Escape. So let's go ahead and see it. Oh, I forgot to show y'all this. This piece has fell off. It's in the trunk, but yep, so we got a piece missing, man. So yep, but I got it in the trunk though. At least I do got it. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while. And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Okay, that's not it. Oh, here it is. Yep, it's not. It wasn't in front of it. It's on the side of it. So here it is, y'all. Porsche Boxer. What y'all think? Convertible. Oh, what the hell? The bumpers in here. I noticed it wasn't like that on the photos. Well, I'm talking about y'all didn't even see the photos. Reinforcement. It's the frunk right here. The frunk. They took all this off for some reason. They was trying to see what it hit. Oh, this comes out. Just check this out. Oh, I see. I see. You don't want to lose no boats. You don't want to lose no boats. But here it is. So, I don't know what that go to. Stinks out here. But I mean, coolant reservoir still good. I think some good hammer action can take care of that. There it is right there. Salvaged it because of that. Okay, that's cool. Where does it go? This way? Excuse me, guys. Ew. We go this way or the other way. It don't even matter. I think it goes that way though. It might have went the other way. Fuck, I don't know. Okay, so that's that. Damn. Sorry about that. Damn, bee. Jeez Christ. Oh, you can't even check they don't even want you checking. What's that, an air box? Air pump? Yeah. They don't even want you checking. See, I don't even know what the hell that is. They don't even want you checking. Oh, this is how you check oil and freaking windshield wiper. They don't even want you checking the motor of this thing, so they hide everything. So that sucks, I guess. All right. I might have to move this, y'all. Definitely gonna have to move it, actually. Let's crank it up though, see if it cranks. Apply brake. Oh. $132,000 miles. The check engine light on? We're gonna pull this out. I dropped the top on this thing. All right, there. Okay. Quiet down a little bit. Look at the gas. I don't like the way that sounds. I don't like the way that sounds. I don't think them shit's supposed to sound like that. Let me put it on the scanner. I'll be right back. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I don't like the sound of that. It's not showing nothing up on the scanner though. I'm trying to see if I can drop the top. I don't even know how to do it. I think that's the button. on. It's supposed to be a button. But I'm not trying to take all of this out, honestly. So I'm gonna just leave it alone. Oops. Touch it back. There we go. That motor sound don't sound good to me. That sounds normal. That little putt man. I don't like the way that sounds, but y'all. I don't like the way that sounds. I mean, I gotta Google one, bro. This is not supposed to sound like this, dog. I ain't gonna mess with this. I know it ain't supposed to sound like that. Jeez. This window? The windows. Wow. The window noise, everything. Alright, y'all. This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. So no Porsche Boxer for us. But that right there didn't look bad at all, man. I probably could fix that with the hammer, dog. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. This one is not gonna work. Okay, and didn't like that, of course. What was I gonna tell you guys when I came out here? I don't even remember. But I will say this. Shout out to the whole entire Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all interested in learning how to properly inspect these cars. We're gonna be going to see my boy Rich pretty soon, so we can get rid of not get rid of, but so we can go ahead and fix this thing. You know what I'm saying? Fix this joint. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, this the piece right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the piece, but we will see, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. 20% off WHD Academy. Link in the description below so you can learn how to properly inspect these whips, man. I'm out. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.